Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
A list of companies, including Robinhood, Galaxy Digital, Kraken and Paxos, have formed a consortium supporting the latest stablecoin pegged to the United States dollar. Paxos shared that the new open network was designed to accelerate the adoption and use of stablecoins worldwide. In April, Tesla's stock dropped when news surfaced that it had scrapped plans for a $25,000 EV. Elon Musk quickly responded, calling the report a lie, and shares regained some ground. However, Musk now suggests that a low-cost EV is pointless without full autonomy. Oil prices edged up about 1% on a weaker US dollar on the day when voters cast ballots in what is expected to be an exceptionally close US presidential election, after rising more than 2% in the previous session, as OPEC Plus delayed plans to hike production in December. The last session saw the pound gain 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 3.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.7% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The dollar fell 0.5% against the yen in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 12 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 15:30 GMT. Germany's factory orders at 7 GMT. The Eurozone's producer price index will be released at 10 GMT. Japan's labour cash earnings at 23:30 GMT. Japan's Jiban Bank Services PMI at 0:30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.